Come on, sit down fire now.
Babe, come here, man.
Babe, let's go around and joke with you.
Babe, me a work, man. Leave me alone, man. Babe, me a fuss you, no.
Ow! That hurt.
Yes.
Now that you heard it, kiss it.
Babe.
Kiss it.
Come. Kiss the girl.
Yes.
Come kiss, man. Go on with the business.
Beat is obvious. The diamond love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I feel like I pull a prank by RASHKAMAR again. Cause day at work, he might edit, block out, and we're supposed to go later and things, so I might get some work done. And I must say, Bears, I want to get them video here ready and get the video them done and all them something there because, you know, true I plan for go later and things. So, I say, alright, I'm then in the bed, but then I chill, I say, you know, so I can prank him though. Kind of like when nobody about him. When he might edit and I always leave him in the room, make him focus and you know, whatever I want a bag of nice and all them something. So me out this I do my ear and thing. But don't do my ear now, so you know what trouble time. My ear done. I mean I still have a few little things to do, but I make me look less melt. Yeah. So while that I melt, I go and trouble him, I go and bother him, I gotta beg him for kiss, I gotta beg him for all kind of sitting, just bother him so he can get annoyed and see if he might go cuss me or he might go, you know, just get mad or whatever we gotta say. So we want a reaction with him, but I hope this work, people. Anyway, him take a look a break because he gone there. Him take a look a break and when he might edit him take him look a break them and whatever. So let me turn with the light there. So him take a look a break. So me wait for him to come back. I gotta set up the camera. I gotta set up the camera and him not gonna look for no camera because him not gonna think so me I gonna try prank him while him at work and I edit. But you don't know it go. I think of an idea real quick. I'm gonna say, John, I have to go get him. So people stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Rash Nique. And you don't know. So when you stay tuned, cause when we come back in here, it's going down. Alright people. I just look through the window. I'm gonna see like him a come. So make a put on the camera. I think he might come. So I'm gonna stay tuned. We gonna get him. We gonna get him. He might come. No, for real. I'm just wondering. I think I left my phone out there. Don't go. Hey baby.
What's up?
Hey, I work fine. Show me what you're doing.
Blackout, man. Scratch back, baby. Yeah, scratch your eye back, your eye.
I never come myself for scratching the back, you know.
So you come up,
Come
lift up.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know me, I go about my business. I'm not coming here for scratching the back. You good now? Okay. Okay. Oh, I want to listen.
Yeah, what do you man?
I want to listen.
Listen what?
I want to hear what you're dancing. Play it now.
Give me sit no man.
Here's my one, listen to the thing. Alright? It's okay because when you're done and you come ask me, babes, look on this, me not look on nothing. It's alright. See I deal with me, sir. What's my ear look at thing?
Babe, you're not here already, my man. Babe.
Can I get a hug then?
Alright.
Thank you, baby.
Alright, go sit down now. Go on, man. Do a matter now, baby, man.
Me just a watch. Me not gonna trouble you. Me just a watch.
Alright, I'm gonna watch.
Turn it down. Turn it down. Too loud. Baby, you're not hot. Take off this.
Babe, one to you, man.
You're not hot.
Me not hot, man. One to you, man. Sure.
Don't do me. Me just a play with you. We are going
Yeah,
to
but
suffer.
me work, man. Have you done this, man?
So it's more important than me?
No, but me get money already for people and things. If me not get the money already, me not just chill with you. No, me can't chill with you. Me I work, man. Babe, chill, man. Babe, cool, man. Sure.
Babe, we just a play with you. You can't take the plane.
Yes. The little play done already. A big play depend now, man. It done now, man.
Okay, I want to help you edit. We can help you?
Babe, chill,
It's
man.
not done quick if me help you.
Alright, come.
It's not come and sit down fine, you know.
Babe, come to you, man.
Me gonna help you.
Don't
Eh,
sit down.
No, sit down back. Me show you how me gonna help you.
No.
Me have to show you.
Babe, chill, man.
Babes, come let me show you. Sit down like this. Look. Sit down. Me sit down.
Alright, edit now.
Okay. Alright, what the fun now?
Baby, ease up.
Which
Ease up.
part? Which
Ease
part?
up, man.
Babes, me not for edit.
So you ask me which one me there. You don't say yes for me there.
Okay, which clip you put next?
Are you gonna edit it now?
Which clip go next?
Are you gonna edit now? You say you want to edit?
Yeah, but I have to do it, you will left off.
So just do what you do now.
Why?
Babe, ease up.
You mess up the video, babes. You're gonna mess up the video.
Ease up, no man. Sure.
Why you gonna push me like that? Alright, man, I'll leave you alone.
Yeah,
But you have to give me a kiss first.
Leave me alone, no man. Just chill up, baby,
You have to
man.
give me a kiss. We have to negotiate. Baby? Oh, I want to hear the intro. I want to hear the intro. Yeah, the song Bad Bears. I like that song, yeah. We have picked for the intro. What happened?
Get my water. Ice water.
So what?
Water. Ice water. You can't go feed. We in the black me, that's why I say go feed water.
Alright, go for your water. Yeah. We not textiling with a grocer. I them to sit your down closer. Whoa, we need to restock the water. We're low on water. Let's see, John. I'm gonna feed you.
I'm your baby, man.
Want to feed my baby?
Alright, come.
You're my baby. Come on.
Babe, I'm your man. Give me this,
Open
man.
up.
Chugum.
Open up.
What problem?
I just miss my baby.
Babe, just tell him I've done this, man.
Baby, I can't take 5 minutes for you. I'm to your woman.
No, I want done this. From my minute there, and you left on the road.
Open up. We don't want it to spill. You can't get no more water to the edit. You can't get no more. You can't water the place.
Yeah, I'm good now. You can drink that now.
I don't want water. Are you my want?
Yeah, that's chill, man. Sure.
Yeah, give me some of that.
One more card.
What?
Alright.
You miss a video?
Nearly.
Yeah, give me some of this.
Babe, chill, man.
Take 5 minutes and come.
Come where?
You're not coming.
Come.
Go where? Where are you going? You have to finish the people and video. Go sit down.
Yo, don't fuck yourself in a man.
You have to finish the people in the video.
Go away, go man. Leave me alone.
Come, I couldn't.
No,
Come.
go on with your business.
Come now. You don't want no one to eat this.
Yeah, we know.
No, you're not.
Babe.
Babes, I have to finish the video for real. Later.
Alright. Later, me get that? Later, you trouble me.
Alright. I'm not about to trouble you again. I'm gonna leave now. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Got my water. Oh shit! I have an idea.
Where water there? Give me water no man.
You said you didn't want it. I have an idea for your video.
Babe. What just do me no man?
You don't want to hear my idea?
Alright, give me an idea.
Alright. No, I can't get no. We can't get no. We have to wait till you reach down at the end part. Which part you reach, sir?
In a middle.
You have to wait till you reach the end.
I end me there now, baby. Me done.
Which one? Pick it. You did at the middle or you did at the end?
When you did talk earlier, you didn't middle. No, see that done, you done.
You done?
You done.
You done with the intro?
Yeah, you done.
Okay, so I was thinking maybe. Damn. I think it can't work, so.
Yeah, leave me.
No, but. Baby, come back. Where you go? Come here.
Babe, leave me alone, man.
No, you have to come finish the video.
Babe, just chill, man.
Alright, now I'll leave you alone, but you have to come finish your video. For real, I work. Listen, you can't. You
Stop playing, man.
Stop playing with your work. Stop playing with your work and sit down. Stop playing with your work.
Babe, may I cuss you, no?
Where you go curse before?
Just leave me alone, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a hug.
Oh.
Give me a kiss.
Mm.
You gotta kiss me on my forehead.
Alright.
Alright, baby. You gotta kiss me on my cheeks.
Sure.
You have to kiss Bum Bum. Ow! That hurt!
Yes.
Now that you heard it, kiss it.
Give it.
Kiss it. You gotta kiss it, it hurt. Babe. Why you do that for?
Chill no, baby, man.
Baby, that's can't run up a joke with you.
Baby, I work, man. Leave me alone, man. Sure. I don't know if you do a blood clot.
It's not nice to say that. You haven't seen me all day.
So who tell you if you go a road?
All morning.
Who tell you if you go a road?
I know y'all run me.
Who tell you if you go a road?
Like that.
That me ask you. Who tell you if you go a road?
What am I go work go do? Go deal with the picnic them, right? You're not business about them. You know, you're not business about them.
Nope.
Are you a picnic them? Are you for business about them? More do one with him there. One do one read. Oh shit, yeah, you never read. You can't hold the camera for me, just hold it for me.
Yeah, me not business you real.
Please, just do it.
Yeah, well, shit. Baby, you know me can't manage over talking anymore.
Alright, just do the read for me, I'ma go ahead.
Alright, let me just do this and do your
Because me can't better wait for that. The faster you do the reel, the faster I'll go away.
Chill, man.
The faster you do the reel, the faster I'll go away. Here. Where do that for? You take me a laugh with you? Come, do the picture. Do the reel. I have like a look at anger. I want to take a post too. Because I can't bother to wait for you done do that and then it's going to take too long. I feel, you know, set it up and everything. Hold on, mommy. Find what I want to do. Oh, you doing next part? Let me hear. I like that part there. Let me hear a while ago.
I'm just a blood clot, man.
Stick your can flow, so. it there. Go back. Go back. Let's go. Me not go back. Me not go back.
Babe, go on here, man.
Me show you one part when I look good.
Look now.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying to show you, but you yell at me. You make me get confused. You make me miss the part again. You have to start to go.
No. Don't let me ask you. Can't mind blood to you.
Why?
I mean, why you not see me at work and me can't mind when you but the ringing and chat in my ears, man. Me can't focus, man.
So why did you tell me you missed me today and I need to come home?
Yeah, so me just, you're not home now? Me no miss you
Yeah, you're
again.
ignoring me.
You're home now. Me no miss you again. If you left now, me I go miss you again. Just stay home. Nobody go nowhere. So I'm here alone.
So me not stay with you?
I'm here alone. Me never say come stay with me. Me say come home. I'm here alone about tonight.
No, you're not.
What do you mean no?
What do you mean that you allowed to go tonight? Sorry, Daddy, I didn't know I was not allowed to go out. The heck? You're not my
No,
daddy.
you just have to tell her to come home. So since I can't tell her to come home, she can't tell her to turn home too.
I don't understand why you're getting so upset.
Chill, man.
Yes, I don't understand why you're getting so upset. I always come and try to see what you're doing and all of that. And you're getting so mad. I don't get it. Why are you getting so upset? I'm not doing nothing different from what I'm normally do. Alright, come. I'm gonna leave. Alright, come on. You don't want to be wrong me. You don't want to
go on, where you go, man? Go on. You never know that's a go on, go on.
Me stay there now. Don't get it twisted and don't play with me.
Right, so, no, you have to go on. You have to go.
What? One button for the side.
Go, man.
I didn't do that. All I do was take off the earphones and put it on from my ears. I never do anything wrong.
Babe, cooler, man.
I'm just trying to get a kiss to go away.
Come, kiss to go.
Yes.
Come kiss, bad man. Go on with your business, man.
Ow!
Yeah.
I
Bad man.
just split that.
Yeah. I mean ears plate. I mean ears plate at the inner. Me ears plate. So you go plate
That
for
really
plate.
hurt.
Sure.
What? I just want a kiss. My God. Give me a kiss.
Babe. I there fuck around my mind.
Give me a kiss.
Sure.
You don't give me that kiss.
Go on, man.
You don't give me that kiss.
Yeah, I can play no man. I work in a man.
I'm not chicken, you a jerk.
Sure.
What? I just want to hug and kiss my baby. And I just want to try to help you edit. What's wrong with that? That's very nice. You see how ungrateful you are? Look at you. Ungrateful. Look at that face. Ungrateful. Me I try to help the man and he don't want me to help him. You see that? That's why they say you're not for sorry for Maga dog. Then we turn around and bite you. You see? That him do.
Yeah, that problem, baby. I know you still a chat, so man. Jesus Christ. You tap tap?
So you stop editing for?
Because you still in my ears, man. Alright, a prank. You prank me, alright then. You stop chat now, man. Jesus Christ. You can't chat, sir.
I'm more than you.
I know chicken batty and I hug batty and
I'm more than you.
I must hug batty and
Any day I talk more than you, you can't talk to me.
Or cow batty. Can I little bit of chat? You think we chat to blood clear chat, mommy, you know? Jesus.
I do?
What?
Comment down below if you think I'm gonna chat more than RASHKAMAR.
Jeez, I'm beef.
A Team Nique anyway with the people in my system. I don't know what you want to come talk about. Team Nique.
Rash Nation.
Team Nique, because you got irritated. Look at you. Look at you. Look at that face. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss, baby. Ah, see? Nice.
Rash Nation. Rash Nation.
Rash Nation, I'm a backside, no Rash Nation. Anyways, people, I'm try to pull a little quick one on him while I'm at work. Forget a little reaction out of him. But don't know I'm gonna finish do all I have to do. I'm not stay on YouTube. We don't know all day. I'm here for go finish because I look crazy right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. With this copper red, my new color. I like it. Wait till I do my face and judge up my thing later. What good I got out. But anyways.
I remember, you know. Remember to subscribe to RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you know. RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog, you know. On the YouTube. You see me I say? Alright then.
Them not subscribe, you never kiss me. A joke. When run go over there, so run go over RASHKAMAR Entertainment and subscribe. Click the bell. Click all. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. Then you run, after you run over there, so now, you run go over RASHKAMAR Entertainment vlog. That's how you're gonna get all of the vlogs, them, the before, after party, like interaction with the people, them before, after the party, them, and whatever. Yeah, you're gonna get all of the good footage and everything over there, so yeah. And even though I'm gonna post on the channel, them, I'm gonna start post back Face Beat by Nique, makeup thing, beauty content, and all of them thing there, yeah. So you can check out that. I have some videos up, but I have no new video, but they're coming. So yeah, I want to make sure to check out all of the channel them. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment. Make sure to tell a friend to tell a friend. And join Rash Nique. Oh, and don't forget, spam up the comment section. Team Nique. Team Nique for that one, yeah. So anyways, people,